Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily send your cryptocurrency from Coinbase Pro to Binance. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is when you're going to be in Coinbase Pro, can simply withdraw here. Now you will click Ethereum or whatever coin you want to send. I'm going to send Ethereum and I'm going to choose crypto address. And now here we are going to paste our Binance address. Here you're gonna add a month. And now how to find a Binance address. You want to go to the top right, click wallet or review. Then you have two options how you can actually go and find the Ethereum address. Click on all your coins, find Ethereum and simply deposit. This is the first way how you can do it. Or you can go back to the wallet and overview and click deposit again. Deposit crypto and choose the coin, and you can always choose whatever coin on Binance. I'm going to choose Ethereum. And right here you see total balance, available balance that I have of Ethereum, and I have the address here, so I will copy it. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going right here and paste the address. Valid Ethereum address. If it wouldn't be valid, it would say to you. If it's not valid, you need to repair it and copy it again. Withdrawal. Oh, you need to actually withdraw Ethereum balance. So let me just amount. I'm going to buy for another 30 euro. So I can show it to you. And it's going to get filled. And this is the process that you make it. It's quite simple and quite easy. It's really nothing hard to understand. Oh, here we got it. Total limit withdrawal. And you see right here, network fee. Two-step verification. I'm going to get a SMS here. Okay, withdraw. And now we got it. Now we just have to wait a little while to get it on Binance. It would say like 3 minutes, but this is how we do it. And the same with like with the Coinbase. So this is how we could do it in Coinbase Pro. And in Coinbase, it's same. Go to top right, send and receive. And now send. You can go pay with Bitcoin. You can choose which one you want. I'm going to click send all to. And again, I just paste the email address, not the email address, but the Bitcoin address. And copy the clipboard, right? And just paste it. So if you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll make also a video on Coinbase how you can do it to Binance. It's like pretty easy and pretty simple. And let's just wait for a while. Ethereum. And I would find it right here in recent deposit history. It's going to take like 3 minutes. I really think that in the past I saw it in orders. Open order history. And I saw it somewhere here. You can like literally see it when it's starting to transfer. But yeah. Deposit crypto. Ethereum. And you just have to wait 3 minutes. So while you are going to wait, I'm going to talk to you about something that is really important. And many people don't talk about this, but this is my recommendation what you should do when you trade crypto, etc. When you're gonna have 10,000 euro or $10,000, and let's say that you want to buy Ethereum, which is going to be at 1,400 euro. What you don't want to do is to invest whole 10k to the Ethereum at 1,400 euro. You need to do this. You need to wait until the Ethereum goes to 1,200 and then buy for 1,000. This is like continual investment that no one's doing. Plenty of people are just like putting all their eggs into one basket, and you don't want to do it. 1,000 euro is going to be Ethereum. You want to put another 1,000. And the more it drops, the more you increase. When it's going to be 250, you just go to the like, I don't know, 2.5k, right? Or something like that. Even drops, invest more if you believe. But this is really important. You need to actually believe, you know, the product. And you see right here, the status is confirming, and it's going to get confirmed. And this is pretty much it how you do it. So thank you very much, guys, and have a great day and goodbye. See you.